Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove two-factor authentication from your Instagram account using the updated 2025 interface. To begin, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From there, select Account Center at the top. Now, tap on Password and Security, and then choose Two-Factor Authentication. You may be asked to enter your password or verify your identity to continue. Once you're in, you'll see a list of authentication methods you've enabled, such as authentication apps, text messages, or backup codes. To remove two-factor authentication, simply turn off all active methods. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm, and two-factor authentication will be disabled for your account. That's it. You've now successfully removed two-factor authentication from Instagram. Thanks for watching.